For extract the volume, you can simply go to the Prepare tab here and then use the volume extract tools. You will select this one. In the first example, I will use one method using the select face, and then select the face that is beside or inlet or and outlet. I will simply click on this face and then go through this part, hold the control key and select the second part. Then I need to use the select seat face. So I will use this one, and I need to select one face inside or inside of my fluid volume. I will select this one and then go through the other part, hold the control key and select one of face inside of my volume, or I can select other faces as well. Then I will use the complete button, and so you can see I have volume, fluid volume inside my solid geometry.